In the meadow we can build a snowman. Oh, there's Hupster. Hey, baby.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Shovel snow, I hate it.
I hate it. I'm here to invite you to an open invite. It's December 12th at 9 a.m. Eastern. But if your video's late, I don't care. You can post it late. You can post it whenever you want. That's fine, because the struggle is real, my friends. I'm gonna have an open invite with Chemo Crafts. Chemo, who doesn't love chemo? It's hashtag shorts. It's 58 seconds, people. 58 seconds or less. Yeah, that's right. 58 seconds or less. Because life is busy.
Nobody has time to record hours of video. Nobody likes doing hours of editing. And nobody has time to watch hours of video.
So let's try. Chemo and I are gonna try to test out the algorithms.
Let's see if the YouTube gods love our shorts. Hashtag shorts.
A DIY video, vertical format, woo, not horizontal. Woo. So we're gonna do vertical, 58 seconds, DIY. Let's get this done. Come with me, test out the algorithms. Let's have fun, people. Let's go. See you December 12th. Stay safe. Be kind. For the love of God, be kind. Be the best version of yourself. Love you, bye. Get it.
Ella, baby girl. Let me with this hound. Ella, baby girl. Throwing snowballs at Ella, baby girl. Woo! It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood.